Welcome to day 2 of workout 5.2. We're going to be looking at workout E today, which is an empty box challenge. Let's have a look at what's going on. We've got blank hundreds, 5 tens and blank ones divided by 9 gives you a 2-digit answer, remainder 1. Solve the calculation in 7 different ways. Okay, well, let's aim to solve it in one way first, shall we? So you're just thinking maybe just do trial and improvement. Yeah, let's just pop some digits in there and see what happens. All right, so let's try, I don't know, let's try, should we do 453? I'm going to use a formal written method here to divide by 9. I'm going to say 9 into 4, doesn't go, so 9 into 45. Oh, well, 5 9s are 45. So then I'm going to say 9s into 3, 0, so it's a remainder 3. So then you think, all right, what could I do to this number in order for it to not have a remainder 3? If I wanted a remainder 1, what would I do to it? So I might be able to adjust this digit here in order to have remainder 1. So then try another one. I don't know. Let's try 651. So we're just going to divide that by 9 and so on. So you're just going to be using a bit of trial and error, trial and improvement. See what happens. See if you can adjust this number then to give you a remainder of 1. See if you can find 7 different ways. The second challenge here. Find the missing digits in the following calculation. Solve each one in several ways if possible. Okay, so I'm looking at just the top one to start with. We don't know what we're dividing by, so actually this bit here at the end is quite a big clue. Yeah, there's no remainder at the end, so we might want to think about some if. It's that if-then thinking, isn't it, that we're going to be doing to try what's happening here. So if this literally was something into 6 goes once, then that means obviously that this would have to be a 6, wouldn't it? So we might say, well, let's try that then. Let's pop a 6 in here. And think, okay, 6 goes into something once. Well, let's do the simplest one first. Let's pop a 6 in there. Yeah. Now, if I'm going to have nothing left over here, then and 6 has gone 3 times, well, 3 6s are 18, so that would have to be an 8, and I'd have to have 1 carried here from whatever goes on in this one. So therefore, what are my possibilities here? 6 into something goes something remainder 1. Well, there's only one possibility, I think. Oh, maybe there's 2. I could do 6 into 1 goes 0 remainder 1, couldn't I? Or 6 into 7 goes once remainder 1. So we've solved that one way, but there's been loads of others, I'm sure. Can you find another way still dividing by 6? And then try dividing by something else? Is there what other possibilities are there for that digit? When you've solved that in a couple of ways, have a go at this one. Then your final challenge is to see if you can solve them both together using just the digits 1 to 9 once each. That's going to be a tricky one. Off you go.